Today I'm going to talk about the types of cloud. First, cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus have a low base, but the cloud extends up to the high levels. The color is usually dark gray, and it grows from cumulus cloud. It composed of ice crystals at the top and water droplets at lower levels. The weather is usually occur with a heavy rain or a snow. What makes it different from a cumulus cloud is that cumulus cloud happened in a sunny day or a fine weather. And the second cloud is nimbostratus. Nimbostratus is a thick cloud and same as a cumulonimbus cloud, it is dark gray and usually it can create some water droplets, or you can call it a steady rain or a drizzle. Secondly, stratocumulus. Stratocumulus is a hipped section clouds which is white and gray. It is usually happened in fine weather or a normal day. Cumulus cloud is white with a darker flat base, and it is usually a bit circular on the top of the surface, and usually it creates a water droplets. It may have a small or a vertical extent, a considerable vertical extent. Yeah, it is usually happened in sunny day or fun weather. Then the stratus cloud. Stratus cloud is a thin cloud. Usually it's gray or a dark color cloud. It it may be thick enough to produce a drizzle. Next, altocumulus. Altocumulus is a medium level cloud which can create water droplets, and the color it's usually white, or it tends to be white or thick enough to look a light gray, and it usually happened in fine weather. Altostratus. Altostratus is also a medium level cloud which is thin and white or thick and gray. It is usually happened in fine weather too or a normal day. Cirrocumulus. Cirrocumulus is a high level cloud, or it is above 6 km from the ground. It is usually thin and white and slightly hipped. Uh, it usually also occur in fine weathers. Cirrostratus is a high cloud which is thin, and it is usually white and made of ice crystals. Why this cloud is usually made of ice crystals is because they are above 6 km, which is so cold, and usually up there the coolness will make ice crystal, not like the lower or the medium level clouds. It can't really produce an ice crystal because it is not really cold enough like the cirrus and cirrocumulus. Lastly, is cirrus. Cirrus is a thin and white cloud which forms a narrow wisps or threads, and it can be a feather-like shape. It is usually happened in a fine weather too or in a normal day. Thank you for listening.